Well, a very cold evening setting up for us as we'll see more of those temperatures below zero, and these will be air temperatures. Wind chills will be another story for us as they'll be closer to around 15, maybe 20 degrees below zero in some locations that are a little farther away from the shorelines. But we are going to see less snow into the night and probably not going to see much of any snow as we go into Wednesday afternoon. But it will be another cold one for us with a lot of upper single digits, lower teens for afternoon highs. And not much snow in the immediate future. Yeah, maybe a slight chance as we go into tomorrow night. But as we get closer to Friday, another system will be working its way into the Great Lakes, and that might mean more significant snowfall for us as we get into Friday. But for today and for right now, we are at 3 degrees with some light snow currently falling for us here in Marquette. Winds out of the northwest at 15 miles per hour. And yes, we are sitting at that very chilly 3 degrees. Now, off to the west, you will notice temperatures a bit on the cooler side, also with temperatures actually only at that 0 degree mark in Ontonagon or in Ironwood. 5 currently in Ontonagon, 12 in Houghton, at 7 in Crystal Falls, and eastward more of those upper single digits, lower teens in Escanaba at 10, 14 over in St. Ignace, and at Ishpeming right now we are at 3 degrees. Now winds are coming in from the northwest at 15 in Houghton, 19 in Munising, 21 in Escanaba, and at 21 currently in Ironwood. We are expecting these numbers to weaken into the night, and that's what's going to really help us with not seeing as brutal of wind chills. But for the time being, we are closer to that negative 20 mark in Ironwood at minus 16 in Marquette. 11 below in Iron Mountain, while farther south in the state as you go into the lower peninsula, seeing mostly numbers that are above zero. And as far as snowfall, yes, still seeing that snow coming out of the northwest. Here it is right now, getting into Munising. Yes, some of those lighter snow showers also into Marquette. A little farther off to the east right there, Grand Marais also picking up on some of that. And even here into the northern Houghton, Keweenaw Peninsula, or Keweenaw County, we are seeing some snow currently falling for us, but it's not really showing up on the radar, but I'm sure a lot of you are seeing the snowfall right now. High pressure system really building in. This is an Arctic high, going to keep us cold for the next 24 hours before it eventually starts to head eastward, help things to moderate just a bit for us, and just expecting maybe some light snowflakes on into tomorrow, where it looks like the majority of them will happen across the Keweenaw Peninsula. But here's a look at that. Winds begin to shift out of the southwest as we head into Wednesday. Most of the snow activity will be across the northern half of the Keweenaw Peninsula, and you can see right there another wave of snow does come in as we go into tomorrow night. There's going to be a very small chance of seeing that, though, and once this moves out of here, we'll be looking out for that next system to arrive getting into Friday, and there it is right there 2 hours south, starting to work its way northward. Rain showers, yes, mild enough for rain showers into the southern part of the state, but for us, probably going to be seeing more of that snow as we'll be on the cooler end of the disturbance. But tonight, dropping down to 3 degrees below zero, sub-zero temperatures with spotty flakes possible. As we go into tomorrow, winds out of the west around 5 to 15. We'll top off in the lower teens in Lawrence at 12 in Escanaba, 13 in Munising, and Marquette 9 degrees. Your 7-day forecast topping off into the upper teens by Thursday, 25 to Friday, before we'll see those numbers yet again start to drop into the weekend and next week.